Hi guys, I have a simple challenge here for people who doubt me. You know, I claim to be in the lead. I claim to be the leading, or my company, to be the leading scientific institute on the planet today. Now you might think that's nonsense, you might think I'm a crackpot, blah 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 blah. That's fine, but now look at the evidence, right? Let's go there. I can create a three-dimensional model of each atom in existence. Now, such is unheard of in the scientific community. In fact, this is my claim. I'm capable to produce the actual 3D model of each atom so accurate that they comply with all facts known to mankind. That's what I can do. That's my claim. That makes me capable of doing so, and CERN, Fermi, NASA, Einstein, Newton, your university, you name it, they all fail to do so. You will not find an accurate 3D model of an atom anywhere, only on YouTube, only right here. So, you think, well, of course there are models. Yeah, that's the Rutherford model you're thinking about, I guess. The planetary system. You have a core made out of protons and neutrons, and then the electrons circling it. That's an old model. It's gone. It has been disproven. It's nonsense. Makes no sense. If you come up with that model, you better have done your homework, because I'm going to ask you questions about that model. So, this is my claim. I claim to be number one on the planet, because I'm capable of creating such a model, combined with all data known to mankind. The challenge is, if you think that I'm not number one on the planet when it comes to quantum physics, that's okay. Maybe you think I'm how you call it, pretentious or smug or arrogant. That's fine. But again, let's go to the proof. Let's go to reality. If you think I'm arrogant, if you think I'm smug, if you think I'm crazy in the head, I'm fucked up, that's fine. But one thing, if so, then show me a model of a carbon atom. That's all I ask. Carbon is a small element, simple atom. Show me a three-dimensional model of carbon. If you think that I'm in that case. I will show you mine, to begin with. You know, these are four nucleons compressed. This is helium, you recognize it. This is a simplified version of the same thing. Every Q-tip representing a nucleon. Now, in my model, nucleons create themselves under pressure. No gluons, no Higgs particles, no bullshit. They create themselves under pressure, and also the atoms create themselves under pressure. So if you bring a model down here, if you're going to show me a model, you better show me a model that creates itself as well. And again, I'm claiming I have the best model to date. So this is a chunk of helium atom. You can compress more of those nucleons in the center of a big object, a star, a high pressure cooker star. When that object goes to the outside of the star, it opens up, it folds up, and then catches some more nucleons, ending up becoming carbon, right? So, carbon is my model of carbon. My model of carbon has the right number of nucleons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, right atomic weight, right number of nucleons, right shape, right diamond shape. I can pinpoint the protons from the neutrons using a simple gear system. I use it for every atom I have. That's another thing. Even, get this, even the direction in which the bonds extend complies with reality. Say, this is carbon, right? And I know which one are the neutrons, I know which ones are the protons. So I have this red Q-tips here to represent the protons, the electrons lashing out, having a higher orbit, thus being capable of making a bond. There you go. Same as water, this is water. Water, you know, is oxygen, 2 hydrogen. You see the same thing at the bottom of this carbon thing, which leaves with 2 other electrons. They have a single bond with those hydrogen atoms. Perpendicular, of course, extending perpendicular from the structure, which means if I take this shape, you see it's the same. You see the blue ones and the red straws and the blue Q-tips are the same shape. Same thing. These red straws represent the direction in which the bonds extend when it comes to a carbon atom. Now watch this. Methane gas. 4 hydrogen, 1 carbon. You see the shape? My model of carbon not only has the right weight, the right diamond shape, the right number of neutrons and protons, it also has the direction in which the bonds extend, also this complies with reality. Heisenberg's uncertainty, having an electron, the local orbitals as well, and having an electron in orbit and then it's gone, and they see it again, Heisenberg. Everything complies. This is not a standalone model. My carbon makes part of the entire periodic table of elements. I have that on my addict. And all atoms comply. So I have a complete system. Now, the challenge is just, if you think I'm not leading, the challenge is just show me a carbon atom which complies with more than this, which is better than this. Please do so. Only then can you say that I'm not leading. If you can create such an atom. This is a crackpot model. I'm a crackpot. I'm an individual. I'm a loner. I'm an independent scientist. I'm not part of a bigger institute. I work alone. And I create this. This is a crackpot. You cannot copy this. If you come to this channel and you want to prove that I'm crazy and all the other companies are better in quantum physics, that's fine, but show me a model other than this. Not this model, other than this. Show me. And then I will believe and I will agree that I'm not number 1 on the planet when it comes to quantum physics. But as long as you haven't produced such a model, complying with all data known to mankind, creating itself, no. Then you have to admit that there's someone on the planet, I'm sorry to say so, I don't want to be smug, I don't want to be, how you call it, arrogant, but it's the facts. You've seen them. You've seen the facts. Everything complies with reality. So, you tell me, am I the leading company? Am I number 1 when it comes to quantum physics? Yes or no? Show me another carbon atom if you think I'm not the leading institute. I don't know. Just go ahead. Show me. In fact, if you can't, please call CERN, go to your teacher, ask them about that model, show them this video. It's fine, it's cool. It's okay, anything. You can do anything you like. You can go to a library, I cannot, I created this from scratch. But you have the luxury to call anyone or take it from the internet. I don't care, as long as your model is different from mine. And better. And I doubt it is, so. That's a challenge for people who do not believe in me. If you believe in me, thanks for watching, and I will not disappoint you. I will keep on going. And next video is about hydrogen, about the spectral lines. It's very interesting. Bye now.